Okay, so I just read about this Qwen3-VL model, and wow, it's like the ultimate upgrade for vision language tasks.
Absolutely. I mean, it not only improves text understanding but also enhances visual perception and reasoning. That's huge.
Right, and get this, it has this native 256K context length that can expand to 1 million tokens. That feels like sci-fi.
I know, but let's think about that. What are the practical implications of handling that much context?
Good question. I guess it allows the model to understand entire books or long videos without losing track. Imagine the possibilities.
For sure. But doesn't that also raise concerns about processing time and resource demands?
Totally, I wonder if they've optimized anything for efficiency. I mean, more data can mean more processing power required.
Yes, and they mentioned a few architectural updates, like interleaved row PE for better video reasoning. That's interesting.
Wait, what is interleaved row P exactly? I've heard the term but don't really get it.
It's a method for enhancing position embeddings over time and space, which sounds complex but is crucial for long horizon tasks.
That makes sense, so it's like giving the model a better map of where it's been in the data.
Exactly. And they're also using Deep Stack to sharpen image-text alignment. I'm curious how that really translates in usability.
Isn't it fascinating how they're integrating visual coding too, like generating code from images?
Yes, that could revolutionize how we think about coding, but I wonder about the limits of that capability.
Right? Can it handle complex code structures or will it just be basic outputs? We need to consider both sides.
Definitely. And the OCR support has expanded to 32 languages, which is impressive, especially with such varied text.
Yeah, but I'm curious about the accuracy. Just because it supports more languages doesn't mean it's flawless.
Good point. The evidence on OCR accuracy can be mixed, especially under challenging conditions.
Exactly, and speaking of challenges, handling video understanding seems vital too. Their improvements there are key.
Agreed, they're focusing on long video comprehension, which is a big leap. It makes me wonder about practical applications.
Imagine an education where students can review lengthy lectures with full context. That's game-changing.
True, but what about the ethical implications? Privacy concerns with video data could complicate things.
Oh, for sure, there's always a trade-off when tech advances this rapidly. We must tread carefully.
Right, and their deployment methods are also interesting. Using VLLM for efficiency is a smart move.
Yeah, but it makes me think about accessibility. Do they provide resources for users who aren't tech-savvy?
Great question. They do mention cookbooks and tutorials, which is a good start for user engagement.
That's a relief. It's vital to make these advancements accessible, especially to non-experts.
Totally agree. And the API compatibility seems robust, which is promising for integration into various applications.
Yes, but I wonder how they ensure stability and performance across different platforms.
That's something to watch. They might face challenges as demand grows, especially with complex tasks.
So if we tie all this together, Qwen3-VL is both exciting and daunting. A lot of potential, but also caution is needed.
Exactly. It's like we're at the frontier of something massive, but we must keep our ethical lenses on.
Agreed. So what do you think will be the biggest takeaway for users adapting to this technology?
I think it's about balancing capability with responsibility. Users will need to be aware of both the benefits and challenges.
That's a solid point. We're really entering a new era in AI and understanding it is key.
Absolutely. I'm excited to see how Qwen3-VL evolves and what breakthroughs it brings next.
Same here, let's keep an eye on this. Who knows what groundbreaking innovations are just around the corner?
Definitely. And it's fascinating to think about how it might reshape entire industries.
For sure, I mean, the implications for education, entertainment, and even healthcare are immense.
Yes, but let's not forget the complexity of human-AI interaction as we integrate these models further.
Exactly, it's such a multifaceted issue. I can't wait to see how this conversation evolves.
Me too. There's so much to unpack and explore in this fascinating space.
I love that we're on this journey together. Who knows what we'll discover next?
Absolutely. Here, S to more curious conversations about the future of AI.